Hey everyone, so I have an update on Hiccup The Label. I placed a second order. One thing I've ordered is this jumper dress, which is absolutely fine. Even though this is a medium, it still works. It's kind of more like a tunic rather than a jumper dress for me. Then I wanted to order that stripy jumper that they sent the wrong item for last time. Guess what they sent this time? The exact same one. So I don't understand how this happened because they said they do the production on a 2-week cycle. And there was a full month in between my orders. There's also something really funny about this one. So you see these labels cut off. These big ones are Hiccup's ones. I cut those off myself. But these were already there. And then I saw this white t-shirt, which was supposed to be 100% cotton. So I thought I'll try it. And they sent a blue t-shirt. So out of 3 items ordered, only one was the one that I actually ordered, which is very disappointing. And it is making me extremely wary of ordering from Hiccup The Label again. I think if I do order again, it's gonna take a lot.